Alright, today we've got a Renault Clio 2008 and it needs a new heater fan. If you listen to this fan on it, you can hear it going. If it works, give it a tap. Nope, it won't come to life again. Normally, it makes horrible clicking noise. It had a water leak. Scuttle panels were blocked, and where the scuttle panels are blocked, all the water goes through into the fan area, and it obviously makes the motor knackered. To do this job, I'll show you where the heater resistor is first of all. It's normally that. So I'm just going to turn it around and show you. Take your glove box out, and the heater resistor is just see where them wires are. This has been done before somewhere else. So you just take the glove box out and put it down there out of the way. And this one obviously needs the fan. So to do the fan on these, I don't know if I'm going to sit on my phone, but drop the steering column down. It's held in by a couple of bolts there. And obviously get the plastic trim off and all that out of the way. There's a couple of screws there, and there's a screw down there that does it as well. And if I get my phone up, I might be able to see it if you're really lucky. Can you see the two little red wires at the back there? That's where it is. So I'm going to drop the steering column down and then take the motor out. And that's the first bolt there. Well, not very well focused, but that's the first one you got to undo. Second one, where is it? Well, I'll be fine. It's just up there, and that's on the other side, opposite side to the first one. I'll do that. That's a bit tight, that one. There we go. So that's coming out. The next one, I'll just move that switch out of the way. So these switches, you just give them a little twist, pull them out of the way. Don't forget to put them back on. And that's where the next one is, so I'll just undo that. Come on, Nick it. That's that one out. Right, next one. It's just there. Get your undo that. I'll try and do it with one hand. Oh, it's on the floor, so that's good. Right, these columns, when you've undone them all, is you just literally pull it forward a little bit. I don't know if I can do it on it like that, and then they just drop down. Now, I've got the cables on there still, but hopefully I can get my hand around the back to get that motor. Let's see if I can do it without taking it all out even further. Get that wire down there. There we go. And this way, where you haven't disconnected anything, you're not going to have any issues with any light warning lights coming on or anything. Just got to make sure you don't stretch the cables too much or pull out these plugs here. Like you've got to plug on the control unit for the steering column. It's quite important to make sure that doesn't get broken. This sort of stuff's normally pretty good. It's out in place okay. So now I can get to the motor just about. Get a little screwdriver. This is where the screwdriver comes in. You can see. I'm trying to get it in. I think there's a little electrical connector there. Just lift it up. Let's see wires out of the locating lug. We got that. I was trying to do this with one hand. It's a little bit more difficult with one hand. Don't fall on my head. Joys of Renault, eh? So that's that out of the way. So you pull the connector off. It's really hard to get this lined up. So there's that there. And this motor, if I remember rightly, they just twist out. Just to see where the little clip is for it. This has got a screw on it. I don't think it has. I can't see nothing. Right. Let's get that around there. That's it. There's a little location lug. It's there. You squeeze it in, and the motor should twist. There you go. That comes out. Like that. Try and squeeze it by that bit of dash there, which is a complete pain in the arse. Well done, Mr. French designing engineer. When you give them a wiggle, I'm going to have to put the phone down, unfortunately. Yeah, I'll get my hand up there and do this. Oh, I've got to put the phone down. I just worked out how to do this, and I've got to try and find a screwdriver again. Oh, just go and find that. You see this little vent here? There's a little screw. Get it in there. Just undo that. Like that. And hopefully, this is another one that holds on, which it probably is. Where is it? Where's this little bugger? There it is. Using this phone for me light as well. Right, there's another one that sits just at the bottom there, so I'll do that. Screw there, you can see. So now, just give it. Oh, there must be another one on there. Yeah, there is, right at the back. Right, and put the phone down again. All right. Couldn't quite get it out with that because that epoxy little bit of metal there. What a stupid design. That was a little bolt-on thing, you'd be sorted. So what I'm going to do is undo the clutch pedal. You've got 3 or 4 bolts that hold that in, so just going to undo them now. And we'll get back to you when I've taken the clutch pedal off. So you've got one there and the other side. Where is it? See them? Easy enough to do. So, I'm just about to take the clutch pedal off. Don't forget, before you undo, I've undone the bolts and everything, you need to take off the little clutch slave master cylinder there, otherwise you'll probably end up breaking it. So I'm just going to hook that off now. There's normally a couple of little clips you squeeze in, and then you can just give it a little wiggle and it comes off. Once again, trying to hold the phone and do it makes it a nightmare, so I'm just going to do it. Right, now we got the clutch off itself. Oh, great camera work here, isn't it, guys? Right, so you should better just gently wiggle that. Oop, and we ratchet it back. Let's go back round here. There you go, so you've got clutch pedal out. This just drops down out of the way. And now, all being well, we'll move all that stuff out of the way. It should come out. Better do. I'm getting really angry now. Bloody Renault. Go on, it's nearly there. Go on. I know what you lot probably do. You probably get an angle grinder and cut that off, but you can't do that in my job. Let's just go around here again. Oh, I'm gonna not film it because I can't get both. I need both hands. Right, look, it's just about to come out. It's got it around there. You got to work it around and wiggle it and all that sort of thing. Then it gets to the place where you need it to come out, and it still gets caught on the wires. So remember what I said? Be careful with the wiring. You don't want to break anything like that. Unless you're good enough to put it all back together and solder it and repair it. Just a matter of wiggling it out around there. Come on, get it. You stupid Frenchman. These car engineers don't like us, I think. Here it goes. It didn't matter that broke when it came out. Anyway, you can see the motor itself that is. And it's out. Turn it. It's got quite a bit of resistance on it for one of these. So that's knackered. So let's put the new one in. Putting the new one in is just reverse what you're doing. I'll put it in and all that. I ain't going to film putting it back together because you've seen how awkward it is to get out. But yeah, that's how long to do. Looks atrocious, doesn't it, when it's all apart like that. I'm just going to put the new motor in and I'll show you what it's like and working when it's all done. Anyway, it's like my first little guide video. I hope you liked it. I'll try and do them a little bit better in the future. It's just as off the cuff because my torch ran out, so I put it on charge. I thought I'll use my phone and I thought, oh well, I may as well record what I'm doing. So if you want more of this type of content on this channel, then I'll happily do it. It's not an issue because a lot of the time where I work alone, I've got no one to talk to. Sometimes I talk to you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe and a comment as well. And there you go. It's all back together. Working on all speeds. So that's how you do them. Looks a lot better now, doesn't it? It's all back together.